start with the saying, "A man's worth is not measured by the money he has, but by the number of true friends he has." Basis: man is a social animal. We cannot live alone. From birth to death, we encounter various relationships. Without blood relations, the only relationship we choose is friendship. Purpose of the lecture. Today I will talk about how this friendship affects our mental health, development, and philosophy of life. Philosophers such as Aristotle have divided friendship into three main types. Explaining this will add intellectual value to your lecture. 1. Friendship for the sake of utility. Relationships that exist for the sake of some benefit or work. X. Friends at work or business. 2. Friendship for the sake of pleasure. Friends who get together just to party, play games, or have fun. 3. True friendship based on qualities. A selfless bond that respects each other's qualities and seeks each other's development. This is the greatest friendship. A good friend can be recognized only in bad times. When we have money and power, many people surround us. But when we fall, when we fail, who will hold our hand? That is the true friend. A true friend is someone who tells us our mistakes to our face and also protects our honor in front of the world. Today we live in the era of social media. We can have 5,000 friends on Facebook. But how many of them are there to talk to when there is a problem in the middle of the night? Point out the difference between digital friendship and real-life friendship. Emphasize the value of meeting and talking live rather than a like. It has been scientifically proven that a person with good friends finds it easier to control stress. Having someone you can trust to relieve a burden on your mind is a great mental relief. Friendship is like a medicine to overcome loneliness. Not everyone makes good friends. There are some who drain our mental energy and are always jealous of us. Don't be afraid to distance yourself from such people. Choosing quality friends is essential to moving forward in life. If we want good friends, we must first be a good friend. Talk about how you can develop qualities such as listening to others, maintaining trust, and standing up for others in difficult situations. Life is a short journey. We cannot take what we find on that journey with us. But the great human bonds we form will make our name live on forever. Don't forget to call your best friend today and say, "Thank you."